Alright kids, we're doing a demonstration to show you the difference in sizes between the Earth, the Moon, and the Sun. Okay? And then why they kind of look the same size from here, don't you think? Here's my Earth up front. You see my Earth. Here's my Moon, and my Sun is way back there. Boy, they do kind of look the same, but let me tell you this. Did you know that it would only take, if you were in a rocket ship, it would only take you, let's see, it was 4 days to travel to the Moon. It would only take you 4 days by rocket ship. Now, the Sun is so far away that it would take you 3 years by rocket ship to get to the Sun, way out there. So the Sun, is it farther away than the Moon? Oh yeah, it's a lot farther away than the Moon. Alright, so here we are at Earth. Looking up ahead, I've showed you we've got the Moon and the Sun. But you know, it's hard to tell how big the Moon and the Sun are for real from here. They both look really small. In fact, they actually look like they're the same size from here, don't they? But let's get a closer look. Let's go to the Moon first. Oh man, the Moon gets bigger the closer we get, doesn't it? Huh, okay, well there's the Moon, and it's a lot bigger than it looked before, didn't it? Let's take the Moon back to the Earth and put them side by side. All right, wow, look at that. So we've got the Earth and we've got the Moon. Did you know that 50 moons would fit inside the Earth? Wow, 50 moons would fit inside the Earth. Wow, okay. Now, you think we should travel to the Sun? Oh, man, it's so far away. Oh, it would take us 4 years to get there by the rocket ship. All right, you ready? Let's go. Let's go to the Sun. Whew. Here we go. Going to the Sun. Going to the Sun. Whoop, there's space chickens. Going to the Sun. Wow, man, the Sun is huge. Golly. All right, let's take this Sun. I'm gonna pick the Sun up. Ooh, and we're gonna go back to the Earth. Whoo, whoo, hang in there with me. I'm running. Whoo-wee. Almost there. Almost there. All right. Whew. Man, it's a lot of running. Okay, so now let's take a look if the wind will cooperate with me. Here, let me get a rock. And I'm gonna prop up the Moon or the Sun because it's wanting to roll away. Okay. Oh, it's a bad day for the wind to be blowing. Okay. So I'm gonna have to hold it looks like. So, whoa! Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at how much bigger the Sun is than the Earth. Wow. Did you know that 1.3 million Earths would fit into the Sun? 1.3 million. That's a lot of Earths would fit into the Sun. That's how much bigger the Sun is to the Moon. And then did you know, my Moon rolled away, sorry guys, that 64.3 million moons would fit into the Sun. Wow. Man, but you know, when we had them out there in the yard, they looked like they were the same size. Why was that? All right. Well, the reason was that the farther away it was the smaller it looked, right? Okay. So the sun was really far away out there. It was really far away. So it looked way smaller than it actually was. The moon was much closer to the earth, right? The moon was much closer than the sun. So even though the moon is smaller than the sun, it looked like the same size as the sun from the earth. Wow, that's awesome science. Now, look at your models. Look at your models. You made a model of the earth. Let's go over here to where my earth rolled away. You made a model of the earth, and then you made a model of the moon. Was your moon smaller than your earth? It should have been, and if it wasn't, that's okay. But I want you to take a minute and fix it if it wasn't. So your earth should be bigger than your moon. Your moon should be smaller than your earth. Okay, once you've done that, I want you to get out activity sheet 2. Your mom and dad already printed it out for you. And the first box asks you to draw an object that is close up, and then draw that same object far away. So remember, the farther you are away from something, the smaller it looks. But the closer you get, the bigger it looks, okay? After you've drawn your pictures, you want to go down to the bottom and have mom and dad or grandma and grandpa, whoever's helping you with your work, write how your pictures are different and how they're the same. All right, I hope you enjoyed today's science lesson about the size of the sun, the moon, and the earth. Do some stargazing for me tonight. I miss you guys.